Most people think Walmart became powerful because it sells products at low prices. That's only half the story. Walmart's real strength is not just low prices. It is the information system behind those low prices. The system that connects suppliers, warehouses, stores, inventory, sales, logistics, and customer demand. In simple words, Walmart became a retail giant because it learned how to move information faster than products. Think about a basic retail store. A product sells. Someone checks stock manually. The manager guesses when to reorder. The supplier is contacted late. The shelf stays empty. Sales are lost. Now compare that with Walmart. When products sell at the checkout, that data does not just stay inside the store. It becomes part of a much bigger information system. Sales data, inventory levels, supplier performance, warehouse stock, delivery schedules, and customer demand are all connected. That is the real power of Walmart's information systems. The first major system is its transaction processing system. Every time a product is scanned at checkout, the system records the sale, updates stock, stores the transaction, and creates data for reporting. This looks like a small activity, but when it happens across thousands of stores, it becomes a massive source of business intelligence. Walmart does not just see what sold. It sees where it sold, when it sold, how fast it sold, and what needs to happen next. The second major system is its supply chain management system. Walmart is famous for using supply chain information to reduce costs and keep shelves stocked. Its systems help track products from suppliers to distribution centers, from distribution centers to stores, and from shelves to customers. One of Walmart's most important supply chain practices is cross-docking. This means products are moved from incoming supplier trucks directly to outgoing store trucks with minimal storage time. The goal is simple: reduce warehouse delays, reduce storage costs, and keep products moving quickly. But cross-docking only works when the information system is strong. The company must know what product is arriving, where it needs to go, which store needs it, how much stock is required, and when the delivery should happen. Without accurate information, cross-docking becomes chaos. The third major system is Walmart's supplier information system, especially tools like Retail Link. Retail Link allows suppliers to access sales and inventory data so they can understand demand and manage replenishment better. This matters because Walmart does not want suppliers guessing. It wants suppliers connected to real demand signals. That is a serious competitive advantage. Instead of Walmart alone managing inventory, suppliers also become part of the information system. They can see which products are moving, which stores need stock, and how demand is changing. This creates a more coordinated supply chain. The fourth system is Walmart's business intelligence layer. Walmart uses data to understand product performance, branch performance, customer demand, seasonal patterns, stock movement, and operational efficiency. This helps managers make better decisions about pricing, promotions, purchasing, inventory, and distribution. A weak retailer may ask, what do we think customers will buy? Walmart's system asks, what does the data show customers are already buying, and how fast can we respond? That difference is huge. The fifth system is Walmart's inventory management system. In retail, inventory is money sitting on shelves. Too much stock means wasted cash and storage cost. Too little stock means empty shelves and lost sales. Walmart's information systems help balance this by tracking stock levels, sales speed, supplier timing, and replenishment needs. This is how information directly supports low prices. If Walmart reduces waste, storage time, delivery inefficiency, and stock errors, it can reduce costs, and lower costs help support lower cheap prices. So Walmart's low price strategy is not only a marketing slogan, it depends heavily on information systems. But here's the catch. Walmart's advantage is not one tool. It is integration. Checkout data connects with inventory. Inventory connects with suppliers. Suppliers connect with warehouses. Warehouses connect with trucks. Trucks connect with stores. Stores connect with customer demand. Customer demand connects back into purchasing decisions. That cycle is what makes Walmart powerful. A competitor can copy a low price strategy for a short time, but copying Walmart's full information system, supplier network, logistics discipline, data history, and operational scale is much harder. Today, Walmart is moving even further with AI, automation, and real-time supply chain systems. Walmart has described its supply chain as being re-engineered with AI and automation across multiple markets, including demand prediction, inventory rerouting, waste reduction, and simpler work for associates. Corporate.walmart.com. But Walmart is not perfect. Its information systems also create pressure. When systems become extremely efficient, workers may face tighter performance expectations. Suppliers may become highly dependent on Walmart's data and rules. Small competitors may struggle because they cannot match the same scale. And when a company has this much operational data, privacy, security, and power become serious issues. That is the brutal truth. Information systems can create efficiency, but they can also create control. The real lesson from Walmart is simple. Retail is not just about selling products. It is about managing information across the entire business. From supplier to warehouse, from warehouse to store, from store to customer, from customer demand back to supplier planning. At the Learning Studio, the goal is simple: to understand Walmart as a case study in information systems, not just retail. Because every time a product is scanned at Walmart, it is not just a sale. It is a signal for inventory, a signal for suppliers, a signal for logistics, a signal for pricing, a signal for future demand. And the company that reads those signals faster, connects them better, and acts on them earlier, wins the retail game.